Bayang Karerista, sa darating na linggo, July 13, 2025, ay masasaksihan natin ang ikatatlo at huling yugto ng pinakaabangang 2025 PhilRecom third and final leg ng Triple Crown Stakes Race na magaganap muli sa MMTCI, Metro Manila Turf Club Inc. Malvar, Tanawan City, Batangas. At alam naman natin na, napagwagyan ng magaling na, Binalot EU, ang first at second leg. Ang tanong nating lahat, makuha na kaya ng connections ni Binalot EU, ang pinakahuling yugto nito, at tanghaling ika-13 Triple Crown, 3-leg winner at tuluyang maka-Grand Slam, ngayong taong ito. Abangan po nating lahat ang kasagutan, at kung ano ang mangyayari sa darating na linggo. Ang mga sumusunod po, ay ang mga naka-Grand Slam, 3-leg winners ng Triple Crown Stakes Race, dito sa Pinas.
Heto na, karera na naman. 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 Heto na, karera na naman.
Horses for the 2025 PhilRecom first leg Triple Crown Stakes Race. El Jaleo past the beginning double fortune. Zoom in 3 wide. Ace Binalot EU. Sega Tulin comes next. Mastery. Parade King Blackjack. In double fortune is a Midnight Bell. Call is right. Then followed by Senor Ibarra. Running by the release Pecotin Lady and Transform is the early trailer. Into the turn they gallop for the first leg. We have zoom in the leader by a length, and in second is Binalot EU. El Jaleo. Moving up Mastery, Constatic Opera on the outside fourth. And in sixth position, Parade King Blackjack rushing up down or inside. Midnight Bell comes next. Call is right. Senor Ibarra, Transform, Pecotin Lady, and Segatulin. Red still Constatic Opera, Binalot EU fighting out for the leader. And in third, Mastery, Constatic Opera on the outside. Then followed by Parade King running by the El Jaleo Blackjack. Also moving up now is a Midnight Bell. Now we have Binalot EU takes the lead running by the Lizumin. Constatic Opera is running by the Rel, then followed by Mastery. Parade King also moving up on the outside. It's still Binalot EU, Constatic Opera, Parade King on the outside. Down on the inside fourth, El Jaleo, Mastery, Midnight Bell. Here comes Senor Ibarra together with Transforma. And still Binalot EU, Constatic Opera, Parade King on the outside, Senor Ibarra. And still Binalot EU, Constatic Opera on the outside. Binalot EU, Constatic Opera, but it's still Binalot EU, Constatic Opera, and finally first leg belongs to Binalot EU, Constatic Opera, Parade King. Then comes Mastery Transform.
karera na naman. Heto na, 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 karera na naman.
Horses out as they battle for the 2025 Purocom second leg Triple Crown Stakes race. Binalot AU gets away immediately on the outside. He's so fine. Constatic Oper in the middle portion. Pecot and Lady Blackjack alongside Parade King. Collis Ride Senor Ibarra zoom in. Midnight Bell and Transform is the early trailer. Into the turn they gallop for the second leg. He's so fine. Blackjack now fighting it out for the lead. And in third comes Binalot AU. Parade King alongside fourth Constatic Oper. Collis Ride Senor Ibarra. Pecotin Lady comes next. Running by the Midnight Bell, Transform and zoom in. Now running at the tail of the field. Inside the bag. Now we have Blackjack takes the lead by a length. He's so fine, dressed back in second. And in third still is Binalot AU. Parade King in fourth, Pecotin Lady. Collis Right, Constatic Oper, Midnight Bell, Senor Ibarra, Transform and zoom in. And it's still Blackjack. He's so fine, still in second. Binalot AU. Parade King, Constatic Oper. Coming closer in fifth. Together with Collis Right, Senor Ibarra. Blackjack, he's so fine. Once again, Danori inside. Binalot AU coming closer in third position. Parade King, Midnight Bell, a long shot coming closer in fourth. Transform in sixth position. Four runners fighting out for the lead. Binalot AU is so fine. Midnight Bell, Transform in fourth. Parade King, it's now Binalot AU. Midnight Bell in second. On the outside, Transform. Binalot AU by our line gonna have a Midnight Bell, Transform. Parade King is on the outside. And down to finish. And it's still Binalot AU. Midnight Bell. Entering the finish line. 2 down. 1 to go for Binalot AU. Second is Midnight Bell close. Collis Right, Transform.
Sa bandang kaliwa po ng inyong screen ay makikita nyo ang resulta, mga naging datingan na mga kalahok sa second leg ng Triple Crown Stakes race para sa 1,800 meters na distansya. At sa bandang kanan naman po ay makikita nyo ang mga kalahok na nominado at deklarado para sa darating na July 13, 2025, Sunday, para sa third leg ng Triple Crown Stakes race na magaganap, tatakbuhin ng mga kalahok sa 2,000 meters. At kung mapapansin po natin, hindi na rin naisali sila Pecotin Lady, Blackjack, Zoom In at Senor Ibarra. At may tatlong susubok maging spoiler ni Binalot AU, mga kalahok na coming early, District 1 at Marvelous Maxine. Kaya mga bayang karirista, abangan na lang po natin ang magiging kaganapan sa darating na linggo. Kaya kita-kits na lang po tayo sa Metro Manila Turf Club Inc. sa darating na linggo. Kampiyan na!